welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get to see latest information for your gadgets out here. And today we are going to talk about a gadget which is none other than HP ProBook out here MT41 out there. A very interesting gadget, a very interesting model out here. Talking about this variant, then we can say that it also follows all the norms out for the ProBook series. Talking about the ProBook version, we can say that this variant also falls under the category of corporate sector design gadget. Yes, you will find that this gadget is also corporate sector design gadget, as well as has got inbuilt Windows operating system, a security chip system of TPM 1.2 security chip system. So these kind of things could be seen. Now, when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant out here was a mobile thin client design. So apart from being a corporate world gadget, it was a mobile thin client design variant also. Now talking about this variant, now talking about this version, we can say that it offers you a good connectivity with the processing system. Talking about the processing system, we can say that it offers you a good range of processing that is from the ARM company out here. Yes, processor from the ARM could be seen out in this variant. Along with that, you also get to see that the variant out here uses ARM A4 4300M processor. So ARM A4 4300M processor is seen. Along with that, you get to see 2.5 gigahertz clock speed. The clock speed of 2.5 gigahertz is seen out here. Along with that, 3 gigahertz max turbo speed. So overall speeding, if we talk about the speed, that is really good out there. Offering you dual core system along with ARM chip system. So ARM chip system could be seen out along with dual core processor. Now, when we talk about these gadgets, when we talk about laptops, we cannot neglect out the fact that they offer, or the first thing which we get to see about this is, apart from display, is the storage. Talking about the storage, we can say that it offers you L2 type cache memory with 1 MB installed RAM. So you get to have a 1 MB installed RAM along with that L2 type cache memory. So overall cache is good. Talking about the memory, we can say that it offers you a good range of RAM also, that is random accessory memory. It offers you 4 GB RAM. Along with that, this 4 GB RAM installed RAM which is being offered is in the configuration of one slot only. You will find that it offers you 1 GB RAM under the condition out there, which is one single slot for 4 GB RAM itself. So talking about this variant, we can say that it offers you a good rated memory speed, or the memory speed of approximately 1600 megahertz. So 1600 megahertz is the speed offered out by this variant. You get to have a good speeding out there. Talking about this variant, we can say that it offers you a good RAM type of DDR3, which is really a common variant out there. DDR3 is a good variant out offered by various gadgets. Along with that, it has got a good interface, and this 4 GB installed RAM is very good because it is offering you a good expandable or the maximum support size. Now, when we talk about the maximum support size, then we can say that it offers you maximum support size of 8 GB. So 8 GB is the maximum support size offered by this gadget. Now, when we talk about this maximum support size, how is it possible? There are two slotations. One is already slotted or fixed for the internal RAM, while the other one is empty for the expandable RAM. So overall, 8 GB is the maximum support size. But this support size has to be in the configuration of DDR3 RAM type, offering you the same rated memory speed, that is 1600 megahertz. Apart from that, if you talk about the gadgets storage, then we can say that RAM along with hard drive plays an important role. So your hard drive need to have a good RAM and the good storage. Now, when we talk about the storage, then we can say that the hard drive storage is in the form of SSD. You will not find HSD type hard drive storage. You will find SSD type storage. Now, when we talk about this SSD type storage, we can say that it offers you 16 GB internal capacity. Yes, 16 GB is the internal capacity offered by this variant. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant out here offers you a good range of connectivities out there, whether it's with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connectivity out here, or the connectivity with any other gadget. You talk about Bluetooth, then Bluetooth class 2 can be seen, wireless good connectivity, wireless protocols out there, USB connectivities along with USB 2 type, 3 type connectivity, a good audio input output jack, that is for the microphones out there or the headphones out there. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you good connectivity with power connectors, that is the adapter out there, SD card reading, memory card reading, multi card reading, card drives out there. These can also be connected. Now, talking about these connectivities are done. Okay, overall connectivity is done. Does it offer any optical drive connectivity, that is the DVD connectivity? Yes, it offers you a DVD or the ROM, DVD ROM and DVD connectivity also. So this is all about the connectivity and everything out there. So let us talk about the gadgets screen size also, because screen size plays an important role. Talking about the screen size, let us talk about the size of the gadget first. It offers you a screen size, that is the wide screen size display out there, which is 35.6 centimeters. So 35.6 centimeter is the screen size offered by this gadget. 35.6 is really good as compared to other versions. Whereas you get to have a HD resolution, because it is offering you a good resolution of HD, that is 1366 into 769 out there. Along with that, if you talk about the screen size, if you talk about the type of display, it offers you LED type display. Yes, it is offering you LED type display out here. Along with that, it offers you LED backlight. So LED display के साथ साथ LED backlight भी है. You get to have LED backlight also along with LED display. So this can also be seen out on this variant. So this is really good and an amazing version out there. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you good range of outputs, because multimedia, output, colorization, these all things are related to graphics out there. But before moving on to the graphical part, what is the monitor featuring out there? Because SG is being all out there as the resolution is there. So does it offer anti-glance technology? Yes, it offers you anti-glance technology also along with privacy filters. So privacy filter, anti-glance, HD technology, backlights, all these specifications could be seen out in this variant. Now let us move to the multimedia part, that is the graphical part out there. And when we talk about the graphics, then it offers you a graphics of AMD Radeon HD. Yes, AMD is the main processor out there. AMD is the main processing system out based in this version. AMD Radeon HD processor or graphic processor, you can see, with good integrated webcam and stereotype speakers, microphones out there, which are really good. Whereas talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a good range of working with these kind of specifications, these kind of working out there. Now let us talk about the battery also, because battery plays an important role. Talking about the battery, then we can say that the gadget offers you 6-cell lithium ion battery. Yes, it is offering you 6-cell lithium ion battery with 55 volts. So 55 volts is a good battery out here, giving a good run time. Along with that, it offers you 6-cell lithium ion battery. So definitely it's going to be little heavy out there. So now let us talk about the pricing also, because pricing plays an important role. Talking about the pricing, then this site, that is just at click.com. Yes, just at click.com offers you a great range of gadgets or your pocket friendly rates. Yes, you get to have pocket friendly rates out here, because it offers you great deals, great savings, huge discounts, or you can say a great amount of savings, because they have gadgets in actually very pocketable rates. You get to have a very pocketable rates out there. Now let us search this gadget in this search icon. But before that, Let me remind you, this side offers you an option that is customizability option. You get to have customizability option. You can customize your gadgets accordingly. You can customize your gadgets the way you would like to have. Because customizability option allows you to customize the gadgets if they are possible. Now let us search this gadget in this search bar because it helps us to search our gadget in a very limited format. So this is the result out here, and when we talk about the result, you get to see that it comes with the bag, and under the condition of refurbished, there's a product condition written refurbished. And when we talk about this gadget, you get to see there is a small description at the top, as well as you get to see that a small description at the bottom is also given. Along with that, we already know a condition is written out here, that is refurbished. So now let us talk about this refurbished condition also, and let us see what are refurbished products all about. Talking about refurbished products or certified refurbished products, both the things are same. The only difference out here is the pathway out there and pre-ownization. Now talking about refurbished products or certified refurbished products, we can say that they are brand new like products. Yes, these are brand new like products. You get to see that the products, these are brand new like products. Along with that, you get to see that they possess the same designing, same functionalities out there. Yes, overall, if you talk about it, then the design is same, their functionality is same, their testing is same, everything is same out there. You will not find that the device is differing from the brand new. No, they are absolutely same. Now talking about the brand new products and talking about the gadgets out there, let us talk about the product out there. Let us talk about the pathways is included out there. And when we talk about the pathway, then we can say that it's a common pathway followed out: base, mediator, and the consumer. This is the thing out there. Base is usually the gadget from where it is released out in the marketplace, whereas mediator is the bridge between the base and the consumer. Consumer is no one else but we as the consumer. So let us see what happens in the brand new. For brand new, base is always the company. Yes, base will always and always be the company. You will find that the base out here is the company because company releases that gadget into the market. The market has that gadget from the company itself. So you will get every gadget, every brand new gadget from company itself. So that's why the base has to be company. Now the marketplace is very vast, so we have combined it and named as marketplace. Now what happens is the gadget is being sold off out here. So the user buys this gadget, and when we buy this gadget, this becomes the pre-owned gadgets, or we become the owner of that brand new gadget. Yes, this is what happens in the brand new purpose. This terminates the chain. Yes, their termination of the chain happens. Now the refurbished products are extension to this chain. Yes, the refurbished is extension to this chain. Now what happens is that we don't want to use any gadget. We don't like that product. We want to resell it. We want to resell it. Then we, as a user, bring it back to the marketplace and resell it. So this is what happens in refurbished products. The first user or the user out here resells its gadget, the pre-owned gadget out here. It becomes the base. Then it comes to the marketplace out there, which is very vast, and then it is resold to another user. So this is happening in the brand new and refurbished product. Now there is a difference out there. There is a slight difference. Now what happens is company, before bringing out into the market, before selling it into the market, the base here test it, verifies it, and check the working of each and every gadget. Whereas in refurbished product, this testing is done at the marketplace. Yes, this testing is done at the marketplace, not by the user. The user does not test this. So this is the difference out there. The difference is between the testing place out there. So now let us talk about the parameters. Let us talk about the parameters which are involved in the testing. Talking about the testing parameters, we can say that there are actually two types of parameters. One is the external parameter, while other one is the internal parameter. Now, the external parameters are nothing else but the parameters which can be directly checked through the eyes, which does not require any kind of software, no tools or equipments are required, and it is very quick. You can quickly check it out. Like externally includes the scratches, display, button intactness, working of each and every button, integrated web camera quality, like capturing capacity and everything, charging out there, connectivity with the USB connectors, audio input output jack, speakers, microphones out there, these kind of things, like all the things which are included and which can be checked through eyes. But what happens to the internal factors? Internal factors are completely different. They require specialized tools, they require gadgets, they require equipments. There are requirement of various things because it is a testing of internal components like the processor, graphics, chip system, memories out there, cache memory, RAM memory, ROM, drive, uh, your connectivities, your internal platforms, your internal security, Windows operating out there, storage out there, each and everything has to be checked, like each and every internal component. Now once these parameters are checked, verified, what happens to them? Once they are checked and verified, they are launched into the market and they are named or termed as refurbished or certified refurbished. It's the same thing, you either name it as refurbished or certified refurbished. But what will happen if it fails? If any of the parameter does not pass out, because it has to pass in every single parameter. If it fails in any one parameter, then it has to be verified again. It has to be replaced if it can be replaced. It has to be renewed out there. So you have a renewed product out there. But this renewing out or this replacement out there has to be done with the original part only. No duplicate, no unknown parts from any other place. Original parts from the company are being used. So this is what happens in the testing parameters. Now, why we are talking about the refurbished products? Are there any advantages of it, or do you get to see advantages? Yes, you get to have an advantage of it. Now, talking about the advantages, you get to have number one, pocketable rates. These offer you pocket-friendly rates. Now, what happens is that brand new products are actually expensive when they are launched. But after a period of time, when you get to have a same gadget under the condition of refurbished, you get to have them in a pocket-friendly rates. Yes, there is a difference in the pocketable rates, so you get to have pocket-friendly rating. Now, talking about these differences, it allows you to have savings also. Like if you have a difference in the pricing, or there's a difference out there, then you can save up to a great amount. So you get to have a great saving also. Apart from that, brand new products offer you 1 year warranty and even exchange policy also. Whereas pre-owned phones do not offer you these kind of things. Yes, pre-owned phones, if you have, then you don't get to see these kind of things. But if you have a gadget under the product condition of refurbished, yes, if you have the condition named as refurbished for your gadget, you get to have 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy. So these things come simultaneously, like 50% of the things are given, 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy is also given out there. So this is the reason why we say try out the refurbished products, because they offer you great advantage out there. Now let us quickly go back to the website and check about the website also. We were talking at just at click.com. Yes, we were at the site just at click.com. We were talking at just at click.com. This site offers you great range of products. Yes, you get to have a large section of products. You get to have great deals for your products. You get to have a huge savings as well as 6 months warranty period. Now talking about these products, now talking about these gadgets, we can say that the gadgets out here are being offered or this website actually offers you a category or the functionality or a function or an option, that is customizability option. You get to have a customizability option. Now when we talk about this customizability option, you get to see that customizability option out here is offered for most of the gadgets which can be customized. Now talking about this website, you get to see that this website offers you 6 months warranty out there with huge savings. Along with that, free home delivery, money back guarantee, online support system. Since it's an online website, you get to have a hassle-free shopping out there. Free shipping is offered. So you get to have a free shipping. And when we talk about free shipping, then this website, that is justatclick.com, offers you mostly your gadgets, most of the gadgets, uh, with COD and 48-hour delivery time in most parts of UAE, whereas 1 week time might be there for Saudi. But if you have customized your gadget, then it might take according to it. Now, when we talk about COD, then COD is available for entire UAE. Yes, all over UAE, COD is available. So you can check out the website. Description has the link, or you can go on Google and type justatclick.com. You will directly land up here. And I would like to take a leave. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. Till then, take care.